If you work in highly regulated industries where data protection and compliance isn't optional, like healthcare, financial services, government, or legal, you know the challenge. Web forms collect your most sensitive information daily, such as patient records, financial applications, and customer data. But the average data breach now costs $4.44 million. And with data sovereignty laws in over 100 countries, one cross-border violation can shut down operations in entire regions. Kiteworks Secure Data Forms is built specifically to meet the restrictive needs of these industries. It's the only secure forms platform that combines the highest-level security certifications with complete data sovereignty control and automated file-to-folder workflows within one virtual hardened appliance that can be deployed anywhere. That means you can collect sensitive information with confidence, knowing it's protected and stays exactly where regulations require it to stay. Kiteworks holds FedRAMP High-Ready certification, one of the highest government security standards. Every form submission is protected with FIPS 140-3 validated encryption, and our zero-trust architecture continuously validates every access request, eliminating insider threat risks. You can deploy the secure data forms as part of the virtual hardened appliance in specific geographic regions to ensure data never crosses borders it shouldn't. Whether you need to comply with GDPR in Europe, keep healthcare data in Canada, or meet financial regulations in Singapore, your data stays in the required jurisdiction. You choose where it's stored and processed. Additionally, compliance is automated. The platform continuously monitors submissions across HIPAA, GDPR, CMMC, and other frameworks. Real-time alerts flag issues before they become violations. Complete audit trails document everything. Organizations could see a reduction in audit preparation time by up to 80%. But all this security doesn't mean complexity. Build forms with a simple drag-and-drop interface. Let's ground all of this in an example. A healthcare provider collects patient data through secure data forms, with enterprise-grade security and sovereignty controls, ensuring you're compliant and protected for the first mile of data security with a few mouse strokes and clicks. The data is encrypted with FIPS 140-3 validation, stored in a regional data center to meet local laws, and automatically tracked for HIPAA compliance, all without manual intervention. Kiteworks Secure Data Forms, military-grade security, complete sovereignty control, trusted by over thousands of enterprises worldwide. If it's private, kite it. Visit kiteworks.com to learn more.